Hi friends, welcome. In the part 1 we have seen how to add a password to a file, and in the part 2 we have seen how multiple files can have their unique password based on the data it shows. So in the part 3 now we'll see how we can set different level of password, say the master password where all privileges will be there, and at the user level password we can set it whether the user can modify the file, user can print it or can copy the content. So all these restrictions will apply and create the PDF files. So before we move, my request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we are adding new tutorials, and we are frequently doing that also. Let's start the script. We'll start from here. So these are the two modules. Here we have imported Reportlab, the canvas and the PDF encrypt, which we'll be using to add password to our files. So here is I'm just pasting the path where I'll be storing it. Sorry, not here, here. So here you can see D drive testing, then subdirectory, then my file name is mypdf.pdf. So in your case you can change the location or the path where you want. Now let me just initialize the my password object. So here it is, PDF encrypt. This is what, then I am using standard encryption. Let me just set first user label password. User password, we say it, let it be XYZ. I am just setting that. Then owner password. Owner password, let me say ABC. Now, sorry. Fine. Now give me, I'll give the options. So can print. Here I will say false. So I don't want it to be printed by the user. So can print, then can modify equal to false. Now let me come to next line here. Can copy equal to false. Based on your requirement, you can make it true also, or 0, 1, whatever you want. Can annotate. So the comments and all the user can add and save it. So can annotate, again I am giving false. So you can change it based on your requirement. Now that's all I have. Sorry, here I must give a comma here. Fine. So this is okay. Now let me just come to the next line here. So now C equal to canvas. I am initializing the canvas. Now here my path. This is the area path where actually line number 3, whatever we declared, this is where the file will be stored. Bottom up equal to 0. So it is based on which, based on which the coordinates from the bottom or from the top. You can make it 1 also. So if you want the coordinates to start in from the other direction. So bottom up is 0, then encrypt. Encrypt equal to PW. PW is what I have declared it, line number 5. So all these conditions are incorporated now. Now let me just see dot show page. Now I'll save it. C dot save. Now that's all. I will save this and let me just run it once, see if any error is there. No error. Oh, I missed adding some text here. So I am just C draw string. I am just the location 50 by again 200. This is the X and Y coordinate. So what's the string? Anything you can write it. This is completed. Fine. Okay. This is completed or whatever you want to write it. Let me just save this and run it once more. Fine. So there is no error. Here is the file which is created it. Note that we have two level of passwords. So I am opening it with XYZ as the user password, XYZ. Now I am opening this. I don't have any options, so if I'll right click also I can't copy it. Now you can see the print is also disabled. I can't add any comment to this also. So let me just close this, open it again, but this time I am using ABC, that is the master password. So here I am opening it. Now if I'll right click it, I got the print option. Now let me just add a comment here. So here it is. Let me just bring it here. I am just adding text here. Closing this. I can save it also. If I'll directly close this, it will prompt me to save. Do you want to save? Okay, fine. I can do whatever, and many other options are also available. Comments are there. I can modify it also. That's all, friends. Hope you have a good learning experience. And if you have any doubts, suggestions, questions, use the comment section below to post it. And my request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we are adding tutorials, and we are frequently doing that also. Please share this with your friends, and thank you for watching.